So you've decided you're ready to start building your email list. You've decided that right now is the time to create that lead capture page to capture the email of the people that are interested in a very specific topic. So before we actually build that landing page and start capturing those emails, let's talk about why, how, and what audience we're building that lead capture page for. As an example, how to get the best photography of the Milky Way galaxy. This is the question that you're trying to answer for an audience that is interested in this topic. So you are doing your research here on Google and you're thinking, I can answer this question, but if I answer the question, what am I actually answering the question for? For me as a person looking to make money from an email list? How about this? How to photograph the Milky Way from Nikon. Of course, Nikon has a great article here that you draw inspiration from, and you do your research and you find all about how to do this with an awesome Nikon camera, and you want to provide this information as well as the best camera that your audience can buy. Of course, at this point, that brings you to the keyword, the best Nikon camera for astrophotography. You're drilling in and you're realizing that the people that are interested in learning more about this topic and getting the best camera to do this astrophotography in this example. So you find this camera and you're like, I am going to be an affiliate for Best Buy and promote this camera. You sign up and you join the Best Buy affiliate program. Now you are ready to grab your free GetResponse account, link in the description, and this will allow you to build your landing page for free and run email marketing campaigns, just like it says here. Build your website, in this case, your free email capture landing page, start generating those leads on your email list, and then run email marketing campaigns for free to get people to check out that camera so you can earn a commission. Now that you've signed up and you got your GetResponse account, you are inside of your account. You go under Tools and you go to Contacts. And under Contacts, you are simply going to create a list. We're just going to call this Nikon, and we're going to have that list now where we can put leads or contacts onto that list so you can follow up with them. And then we're simply going to go to landing pages and create a landing page. Here we're just going to simply find a template that we like, a template that resonates with us and what we think would look good for people that are interested in this topic. I like this one, so I'm just going to call this Nikon. It's going to create a landing page and a thank you page. We're going to go ahead and say next step. At that point, GetResponse is going to start, and you can see the monster there loading the page up. And at this point, you're simply going to look at this page. Do I need all of this stuff on this page, or am I only interested in the perfect choice, in this case, for taking pictures of the galaxy, we'll say, and you can make this say whatever you need it to say. I'm just using this as an example. Then you get that lined up. And again, you don't need all of this stuff, so go ahead and delete that one. We're just talking about perfect choice for taking pictures of the galaxy. Of course, this is not your logo. We're also going to change this picture, but also let's just go ahead and get rid of all of these blocks inside of the builder, inside of the page builder, and just leave this. Of course, you would change this to whatever you wanted to call it or create your own logo. In this case, we'll just go ahead and click on that and delete it. And of course here, you could add your Facebook, your Twitter, all that stuff. Or in this case, we could just go ahead and just delete that. And then we have our landing page because we're interested in collecting an email. Also note, if you just double click this, you can click here and change the background image. You can even get GetResponse, or you can get images that GetResponse will let you use for free. In this case, we'll just say stars, and we'll find a nice picture of stars. Check out this picture here. It looks like someone is using a telescope or possibly a camera. So we'll go ahead and select that, and you can see that that looks pretty good. You might want to play around with this and move this up or down depending on what you want it to say. But the simple idea here is this is the landing page where you're going to collect the email address or capture the email address, and you're going to be able to do this for free simply by selecting next step. Here you can generate a mobile version, or you can simply, in this case, proceed without the mobile version. And then you are going to see the next step inside of your free GetResponse account. You're simply going to scroll down, and then you are going to assign it to the list that you just made. And you can see here, there are a few options here for the domain. It doesn't really matter. You could always put this under a bit.ly link and shorten it, but people don't pay attention to that kind of thing. If they're interested in getting the information that they want, go ahead and click publish. And then you can see here, it says you are done. Just that quick, just that simple. Click on the link. Perfect choice for taking pictures of the galaxy. Enter your email address, sign up. Again, you would make this something very compelling to get people to sign up. You could say, check out the perfect choice for taking pictures of the galaxy. Best price choice, best camera. Let me show you some additional how-to steps, a video, whatever to compel someone to utilize your free email capture page that you just created. And they're going to click here. They're going to enter their email address. They're going to click sign up. This thank you page will be edited inside of your landing pages. Again, you can go back to manage landing pages at any time, and you will do this where you come over and you go to edit page. And then when the monster loads up that page, here's the page you created. Here is the thank you page. Again, you will just drag and drop and edit this to finalize your landing page that you will be building for free. You can do that very simply, but let's go to Nikon and let's click on that list that we created. And you can see here that someone, in this case, in this example, I've signed up and I tested that free email capture page, and it's just that simple to get started. Now you know exactly why and what you are creating, and the reason people will sign up and do it on your free page is because you will provide them something compelling in exchange, something unique that they can only get from you in exchange for giving you your email address. So then in this case, you can promote that camera that takes awesome pictures of the Milky Way or the stars or the planets. This is just an example, so you can really see how this all works. And you can start collecting those emails for free to build your own email list using GetResponse free account, link in the description. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later.